School Puppet Theater. It's puppet time, so grab a puppet and make it move.
Okay, Puppet, let's see your moves. Excuse me, Puppet. Ah! Oh, no. I can't feel a pulse. Come on, breathe, Nigel, breathe.
Block, you do know that puppet's not alive, don't you?
Not on my watch. It worked. It's a miracle. Hey, what are you doing with those strings?
Puppets can't move on their own. You gotta pull their strings to make them move. Like this.
Oh, I can do that.
Well, actually, I think it's more like this.
I don't need help.
Maybe if you...
I can do it myself. Ooh, this puppet stuff has too many strings attached. I'll just get him to move another way. I'm gonna turn this puppet into a real boy.
Oh, that doesn't sound like a good idea.
Sure it is. I'll just use the Blue Fairy Special. And I think it goes like this. Go to a luau, eat some poi, and turn this puppet into a real boy. Come on, real boy who was a puppet. Let's boogie down. Why can't I boogie down?
You're a puppet!
Nonsense. Puppets are made of wood. I'm a puppet!
Oh, dear. Looks like someone tried to turn a puppet into a real boy.
Don't worry, I can just turn myself back.
I'm afraid that's impossible, even if you could move your arms. You see, the only way to turn a puppet into a real boy is to go through the Pinocchio process.
What's the Pinocchio process?
The Pinocchio process is a series of steps that goes like this. Hop with a cricket, do the donkey dance of joy, swim with a whale, and you'll become a real boy.
Looks like we have to find some animals.
Yeah! First up, a cricket!
I can do that, no problem.
Maybe I'd better poof us there. But where do you find a cricket?
Well, a cricket's an insect, and I always see insects out in the grass.
Then let's get up and get out of class and look for a cricket in the grass.
All right, class, let's find a cricket. They look like this.
Ah! Something moved!
Oh, is it a cricket?
Hey, can't a ladybug get some privacy?
A ladybug! Huh. We better keep looking.
Something's crawling between my toes.
Maybe it's a cricket.
Yikes! What kind of bug is that?
Time for a termite snack.
A termite! They eat wood, you know.
Eat what?
This wood tastes like feet.
Ah! What's that sound?
Oh, it's a cricket.
Go, boy! Time to hop!
You want us to help pull your strings?
Nah, I can do it myself. Well, you can help if you want, but I definitely do not need it. Hop, hop, hop! Hop, hop, hop! My legs! They're back to normal!
Uh-oh. Why is the rest of Blog's body still puppet?
Because Blog has to go through the next step of the Pinocchio process, the donkey dance of joy.
Then let us go find a donkey!
We don't need a giraffe or a monkey. What we need is a donkey.
Come on, donkey! Let us do the donkey dance of joy! Donkey tells me he does not want to do the donkey dance of joy!
Probably because he's a very angry donkey. Ah! What are we gonna do?
Maybe we need something to make that donkey happy.
But what makes donkeys happy?
I don't know. Let's ask Spot. Spot! Oh, Spot! Oh, hi, Spot. How do you make a donkey happy?
That's right! Hey! 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 Go and tell your whole class that it comes from the dry grass. You find it in a haystack. Some animals that donkey is a punk rocker.
I think the answer probably has something to do with hay.
Maybe the donkey likes hay. No, that can't be it.
Sure it can, Gonigan. The song said animals have hay for a snack. Maybe the donkey's hungry. Hungry for hay.
Okay, then. Listen to what I say. Give us a big plate of hay.
It worked! We win!
And the donkey's happy.
And he's doing the donkey dance of joy. I gotta dance with him. I don't need help. But if you insist.
Wow! It worked! Flopped arms and wings are back now!
But I still have a puppet head.
That's because you haven't done the last step of the Pinocchio process. You have to swim with a whale.
And whales live in the ocean, so let's get our wheels in motion. Move on down to the ocean. Whoa! Here we are! And there's the whale!
I didn't expect it to be so huge.
Now's your chance, Blog. Swim with a whale!
Okay, here I go.
What's wrong?
I can't do it.
Sure you can! Your arms and legs and wings are all back to normal.
But I don't know how to swim.
Oh no.
Maybe you can ask for something to get you to swim.
How about rocket fins?
Log.
Okay, I admit it. I can't do this on my own. I need help.
You heard him, Gonigan!
Okay, I can help, I think.
Let's swim! Reach and pull and kick, 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 and reach and pull and kick, kick, kick.
I'm doing it. I'm swimming with a whale. And I'm back to normal.
Yay!
Thanks, whale. And thank you all. I couldn't have done it without you.
You're welcome!
Swimming with whales was really cool. But now let's all go back to school.
I know a different way to get him to move.
No! Great work, Slog!
I love puppets.